Incandescent. Emitting light as a result of being heated. The incandescent bulb illuminated the room. Zephyr. A gentle, mild breeze. The zephyr rustled the leaves in the quiet forest. Supple. Flexible and graceful in movement. The gymnast demonstrated supple agility in her routines. Munificent. More generous than is usual or necessary. Her munificent donation greatly benefited the local charity. Mellower. Calmer and more relaxed. As the evening progressed, the atmosphere became mellower. Exuberant. Full of energy, excitement, and cheerfulness. The children were exuberant on the playground. Meticulous. Showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. The artist was meticulous in every brushstroke. Delectable. Extremely pleasing to the senses, especially taste. The chef prepared a delectable dish that delighted everyone. Languid. Lacking energy or vitality, slow and relaxed. On lazy Sundays, they enjoy a languid afternoon nap. Rambunctious. Energetic, noisy, and difficult to control. The rambunctious puppies played in the backyard. Supine. Lying on the back, facing upward. He lay supine on the grass, enjoying the warmth of the sun. Cognizant. Aware and mindful of something. She was cognizant of the potential challenges ahead. Truncate. To shorten by cutting off a part. He had to truncate the speech to fit within the time limit. Exemplary. Serving as a desirable model, outstanding. His exemplary leadership inspired the entire team. melancholy. A feeling of deep sadness or sorrow. The rainy weather brought a sense of melancholy to her mood. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.